Hi everyone, it's Intang Mayumi. I have one more Mother's Day card tutorial before Mother's Day this weekend. This one is similar to the ones I made last year for Father's Day card, and that is where I got my inspiration for today's video. The stamp set I use is from the Tan Loose Peonies stamp set. I will use my stamping box to stamp all the images from the stamp set, and you can also use your stamping tool like your Misty or other stamping tool that you have to stamp them all at once, but I thought this way is more easier for me. I stamped the flowers and leaves on a 140-pound Strathmore watercolor panel with Jenny K amalgam ink. I use my Zig Clean Color Wheel Brush markers to color my stamp images. I just used a few colors to color the flowers and leaves and just blended them with the Zig Blender marker. This card is super easy to make. The only thing that took time is the coloring. If you don't have time to color your images, you can use pattern paper that you have and just die cut the word mom and add sentiment inside the card and you're done. I will show you how I color one flower and one leaf here because I don't think you want to watch me coloring the whole panel. After I colored all my images, I also colored the empty spaces with light blue Zig marker. After I'm done coloring the panel, I will arrange the word mom in the middle and die cut it. And I secure the dies with washi tape so they don't move when I run them through my die cutting machine. You can make two cards from die cutting the word mom. You can use the positive die cut on another card, but I didn't do that way. I just thought of that while editing the video just now. I use pink card base that I have in my stash, and I think this one is from Hero Arts card kit that I got last time. I'm going to score my cardstock using my Martha Stewart scoring tool and bone folder. And now I'm going to attach my panel on my card base, and I use dry adhesive and liquid glue here because I want to make sure the panel is flat on my card base. And to adhere the die cut letters, I will use foam tape so they have a little bit of dimension on the card. I use the word I love you from the Hero Arts Happy Dad's Day stamp set. I use my Versamarker to ink up my sentiment, and I'm just inking the word I love you, leaving the word dad. And I will stamp it on scraps of dark blue paper that I have on my table, and I will emboss it with Wow Opaque Bright White embossing powder and melt it with my heat tool. I will cut the sentiment into strips using my Fiskars trimmer. Add the foam tape on the back of the sentiment and adhere it on the card on the right side below the letter M. For the inside of the card, I will stamp another sentiment that says Happy Mother's Day from the Tan Pen Sentiments stamp set using Genesee Black Amalgam ink. And I also stamped one of the flower from the stamp set with Kaleido Color Tomato Vine ink. For the embellishment, I just added shimmer on all of the colored flowers with my Spectrum Noir Sparkle pen. I love coloring images like this, especially the flower images, and this card is super easy to make. I hope you liked today's video, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.